Welcome to this tutorial on Robinhood Analyst Ratings explained in 2024. Robinhood is a popular investment platform that provides users with a wide range of financial tools and resources. One of the key features of the platform is analyst ratings, which provide users with valuable insights into the potential performance of different stocks. To understand analyst ratings on Robinhood, it is essential to know what they are and how they are calculated. Analyst ratings are essentially predictions made by financial analysts about the future performance of a particular stock. These ratings are based on a variety of factors, including the company's financial health, industry trends, and overall market conditions. There are several types of analyst ratings, including buy, sell, and hold. A buy rating indicates that the analyst believes the stock will perform well and is a good investment opportunity. A sell rating, on the other hand, indicates that the analyst believes the stock will perform poorly and is not a good investment opportunity. A hold rating indicates that the analyst believes the stock will perform in line with the market and is not a particularly good or bad investment opportunity. To access analyst ratings on Robinhood, users can navigate to the stocks page and scroll down to the ratings section. Here, users can see the current rating, as well as a breakdown of the number of buy, sell, and hold ratings. Users can also see the average price target, which is the average price at which analysts believe the stock will trade in the future. When using analyst ratings to inform investment decisions, it is essential to keep in mind that they are only predictions and should not be taken as investment advice. It is also important to consider a variety of other factors, including the company's financial health, industry trends, and overall market conditions. In addition to analyst ratings, Robinhood also provides users with a range of other tools and resources to help them make informed investment decisions. These include real-time market data, financial news and analysis, and a community forum where users can discuss investment ideas and strategies. In conclusion, analyst ratings on Robinhood are a valuable resource for investors looking to make informed decisions about their investments. By understanding what analyst ratings are, how they are calculated, and how to use them, users can gain a deeper understanding of the potential performance of different stocks and make more informed investment decisions.